Common Maintenance Department. So I'm sharing.
Utang mo Radio Veritas.
Dari may partner na isa.
Radio Veritas.
Dari pa.
In this solemn occasion, the diocese of Italy formally and joyfully welcomes the most reverend Glenn Monsignor Torsica Duty as its new bishop. The liturgy starts at the cathedral door, where the new bishop is received by the administrator